In the case of creating 3D sketches, it can sometimes be very difficult to create them in the actual sketch environment. So as a very quick tip, what can usually be easier is if you actually create it as an extruded geometry. So I've got a pretty difficult shape to easy shape to create in using 2D sketches, but difficult shape to create using 3D sketches. So it's just a few blocks on top of each other. Now, all of these edges are the edges that we want to have for the 3D sketches. So all I'm going to do is do convert entities in a 3D sketch. So doing a Control A to select all of my edges. So select an edge, do a Control A. And I'm just going to do a 3D sketch and do a convert entities. So it's picking up on all of the edges in our sketch. Once we've done that, I'm just going to come out of the sketch. I'm going to right click on the part or the body. And I'm going to do delete body. So I'm going to delete all the 3D geometry. So we're just left with the 3D sketch. Now, that would have been a very difficult 3D sketch to create environment because we have draft on it. There's a lot of different directions and things like that there. So I've done that in a matter of seconds. And then once there, it's ready for the Wildman profiles that we want to attach to it or anything like that.